Before we begin, let's take a moment to remember something you might have forgotten in the noise of life. The answer is not always in doing more, in trying harder, in pushing forward when you're already tired. Sometimes more effort is not the key. Sometimes pushing only adds to the confusion. There is another way, a quieter way, a softer way, a way of stepping back, breathing, and letting yourself simply be. So here, in this space, I invite you to retreat, not from life, but into the very center of yourself. To step out of the role you've been playing today, the helper, the fighter, the achiever, the one who keeps it all together. You don't have to be strong all the time. You don't have to be good all the time. You don't have to be perfect all the time. Allow yourself to be human, a raw, unpolished, wonderfully imperfect human. Messy, real, and still entirely worthy of love and joy. Now gently close your eyes. Feel the air moving in as you inhale, and feel it soften and release as you exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw loosen. Let your belly relax. You're safe here. Safe to breathe. Safe to feel. Safe to let the mask slip away. In this moment, you're not your to-do list. You're not your mistakes. You're not the image you try to keep polished for the world. You are something much deeper, something softer, something freer. Listen to the sounds around you. Life is happening not just in your plans, but here, in the stillness. The hum in the background, the subtle beat of your heart. This is life, quiet and steady, asking for nothing but your attention. And as you notice, let it all be. The beauty, the confusion, the flaws, the mess. You don't have to clean it all up before you can breathe. You don't have to earn your right to rest. You can rest now. Think of a time you laughed so hard you forgot to be self-conscious. A time you were silly, unfiltered, maybe even a little clumsy. That too was beautiful. Because perfection may be admired, but imperfection is what connects us. The cracks, the awkward moments, the things that don't go to plan. They make you real. They make you you. And in that realness, there is so much light. Breathe again. Inhale, letting life in. Exhale, letting go of the weight of needing to be enough. In this space, you're not fixing yourself. You're not improving yourself. You're simply meeting yourself exactly as you are and saying, yes, I am enough. Stay here for a few moments longer. Let a quiet seep in. Let the relief of not having to hold it all together wash over you. And remember, you can step out of the role and back into yourself at any time. You can let the world spin without you for a moment. You can be a beautiful, imperfect human, and in doing so, you can truly live. When you are ready, take one more deep breath, gently open your eyes, and return to your day. Not as the role you've been playing, but as yourself. Soft, human, perfectly imperfect.